Hello angels, welcome back to another DIY video. In this video we're going to be making another crystal bedazzle junk phone case. All of these charms right here are from Etsy. So I'll leave the link for the seller down in the description box down below. I don't think I know the exact same seller, but there's only two sellers on Etsy that I was buying these charms from. So I'll leave both of them down in the description box. They basically made the same thing. And it's so adorable, so cute. Also, the phone case is from Amazon. I didn't want to buy the charms and then buy the phone case and include it together when they already have it available. So it was like, yeah, let's just make my life very easy. Just buy the little bedazzle phone case already. And you're going to need some E6000 glue. E6000 glue. And that's it. You only need three things to do this. You need a phone case. You need these wonderful charms. And you need a very durable glue. And that's that. This phone case is so cute. It is pink and it is white. So rhinestones are half pink, half white. I just thought it was just the cutest thing ever. So gorgeous. So pretty. I wish the sun was hitting on it. You guys can see how it's just shiny. It looks so gorgeous. And this is how the inside of it looks. Simple. And the outside. But the bedazzles, not the bedazzles, the charms we have. Oh, excuse me. We have pretty, we have a dollar sign, we have a purse, we have heels, we have a mouth, and we have a Dior makeup thingy. And that's pretty much it. And we have a nail polish that actually has a mirror in it. You can see yourself perfect. I was like, that is such a cute idea. I love it. So cute. A little mirror. So adorable. I'm trying to figure out how I want the layout to be. I didn't want a lot of space because this charm only came with these ones. And it had to be enough in order to fill up the phone case so that it doesn't look empty. It doesn't look like if it's missing anything, because honestly, I didn't have any more pink stuff to have to put on top of the phone case. So what I had, it had to be able to work. If not, then it was just going to look empty, and I didn't want that. I just wanted it to look very chunky, very 3D effect, just that type of look. That makes sense. And also the charms need to be out of the way of the camera because I want to be able to still use my phone case, still be able to take pictures, to be able to do this, that, and the third. So it took me a minute trying to reorganize these to see what works best, what looks good, and how everything was going to be working out together. And I didn't want to be placing stuff on top of each other because I wanted you to be able to see what each item was. So the word pretty looks perfect right here. That was like the only spot that this would ever make sense. Everything else just had to make sense around the phone case. And the Dior is going to be a little bit too big. It's going to be hanging off of the phone a little bit, but that's fine. It's going to work out pretty good. Nothing else I can do about it. So this is what I came up with. This is what we're going to be sticking to. This is what we're going to be working with. There's nothing else we could possibly do. This is the only thing that would work out good, honestly. We're going to need some E6000 glue. And I found that I got a glue that wasn't sticking up, wasn't chunky, wasn't turning like a yellowish color when I was using it, so it worked perfectly fine. Just add a little bit of some glue on there, press it down so that it could be sticking on the rhinestone and everything, so that it's not going to be lifting up. And it'll be working perfectly fine. It looks good, doesn't it? Make sure to use a very generous amount of glue. And when you do, just press down on it so that it'll be sticking in place. The E6000 glue takes between 24 to 72 hours to dry, so even if you don't like the way how it's laid out, you can always go back in and switch it around, move it around for your comfort. So I had enough time to see like, maybe this is not going to work out the way how I intended it for, but I like the way how everything was laid out. Everything looks pretty good to me. The purse is so adorable, and the little heel, so cute. A very generous amount of some glue. And everything just falls straight in place. This looks so cute. And finally, it's time up for the lips. Just pop it on there and we're good to go. I don't need to move around the, what do you call that? The brush, the nail polish around a little bit, because look at there's like a straight line in between there. So make sure everything is not spaced out. Everything looks good. It looks fine. I like the way how it turned out. Definitely should have moved the lips and the nail polish a little bit closer, because it looks like if there's like a space straight down in between, and I don't know, just look a little empty to me. So definitely needed to move them around a little bit. But yeah, it looks good. Now I'm just gonna let this sit on a flat surface so that it could dry, so that the glue is not falling down, nothing is moving around, everything stayed in place. Alrighty, so this is how it turned out. This little pink phone case. It looks so cute, so gorgeous, but you see that corner right there where the, I think it's the on or off button. The plastic is loose. It's unfortunately not sticking on there. So I'm thinking about adding a little bit of some hot water so that you could get back the shape of it, but either way, this is how the phone case turned out. It is so cute. I love the different color pinks in there. Like, it just brings everything together. It looks so gorgeous, so simple. And the little the little nail polish with the mirror in there is so cute. I think that's like my favorite thing on top of the phone. And you can kind of see me in there, which is so cute. I love it. Well, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.